So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background color in CSS. There are a couple of ways that you can do it, but I'll show you the first way. So the first way is to go to the opening tag of the paragraph, and you can use this style attribute, and then inside of here, you can use CSS basically. So I'm going to say background dash color colon, and then you can choose a color. So for example, let me go with blue. So you see the background has become blue. Now, if I want to change the background of this element as well, I can basically copy this style and paste it here. So you see, it has applied two of them, all right? But now, you see, if I want to change, I'll have to change them one by one. So there is a better practice. So instead of saying style background color, we can basically go to the head. So inside of the head, we can use the style tag, or if you have an external sheet, it should work the same. So right here, you just declare a class by adding a dot, and you can call it anything you want. So you can name it anything you want. I'm going to name it my color, and then I'm going to open two curly braces. So right here, I'm going to use background dash color. I'm going to go with blue. All right. So now, if you want to apply this class to an HTML element, all you have to do is you come to the element and you just type in class and then equals to, and then you just type this class name without the dot. All right. So I'm going to say my color, and now you see I have applied it to the first one, and now I can reuse this class by applying it. So I'm going to copy this class and paste it inside of this paragraph too. So you see I have changed the background of these two elements, and now if I want to change the color, I can come here and change them all at once. All right. So this is basically how you can change the background color in CSS. I hope you liked the video, everyone.